cái linh như lồng phi thiệt bay.
We going for bird watching in the countryside. Phnom Krom is the place where we usually go for birding, and it is not very far from my home, so we can only take around 15 minutes by motorcycle or tuk-tuk to get to that place. And the habitat around that area is very beautiful as well. There is the rice field, and there is also the shrub, trees, and totally everything is too open for welcoming all the small size of bird, medium size of bird, and we saw quite a lot of things as well. Can you really find this stick insect? It is really beautiful and it looked really cool. I mean, very camouflaged to the leaves around where he perched. So I think this stick insect is a lovely insect to me. And right here you can also see the big nest, of the red ant, and with beautiful flowers, and also some beautiful birds singing and preening in the rice field. And that is the black brown reed-warbler, and this species is the wintering visitor to our area, and it always arrived in August and probably back in April. This small bird is called the Scaly-breasted moonier, and it always show up around the rice paddy field, and of course they like picking up the grass flower and kind of playing around among other bird species. This little moonier, or the scaly-breasted moonier right here, they are very common in the countryside, and sometimes we can also find them in the garden or the house, or the city, for instance. And thank you very much, guys, and thank you so much again. And if you would like to support me, please give us a like and subscribe our channel, and you will see more video of the fun countryside birding and everywhere birding. Have a nice day. See you next time.